This video walks you through how to refund invoice in Xero. If you are already signed into Xero, begin from the top navigation menu and click Sales. From the Sales dropdown, select Invoices to open the Invoices area. This page shows your invoice records, and from here you can locate the invoice connected to the refund you need to process. Open the relevant invoice to review the transaction tied to that customer. Once the invoice is open, move to the credit note part of the process. If you still need to create one, create a credit note for the amount you want to refund. If a credit note already exists for that customer and applies to this refund, open the existing credit note instead. Before you continue, review the credit note carefully. Check the contact details shown on the credit note, then review the items, quantities, amounts, tax rates, and the total credit. This is the point where you confirm that the refund will be recorded against the correct customer and for the correct value. If anything does not match the original adjustment you intend to refund, correct it before moving on. Once the credit note is accurate, make sure it is approved. If it has not been approved yet, approve it now. Xero needs the credit note to be approved before you can record a cash refund against it. After approval, open that approved credit note and click Add Cash Refund. This opens the Add Cash Refund window where you will enter the payment details for the refund. Start with the amount field and enter or confirm the amount you are refunding. Make sure the amount reflects exactly what should be paid back so the remaining credit balance updates correctly afterward. Next, select the date paid for the refund. This records when the refund was actually made. Then choose the account the refund is being paid from. Pay close attention here so the refund is recorded from the correct bank or payment account in Xero. If your process requires a reference, enter one in the reference field. When all refund details are in place, click Add to record the refund. Xero will save the transaction and apply it to the approved credit note. After that, confirm the result on screen. You should see the cash refund displayed as paid, and Xero should also update the remaining credit balance to reflect the amount you refunded. That confirms the refund has been recorded against the credit note and linked back to the customer transaction. Thanks for watching. Your invoice refund is now recorded in Xero with the cash refund marked as paid and the remaining credit balance updated.